thanks for coming by. I do really appreciate it. I've so many new subscribers, I couldn't believe it when I checked. Thank you so much to all of you for showing your support in the content I'm putting out. It means a lot. Thank you. Anyone else who's coming by and having a look, I'm going to be putting out probably a good few extra videos this week as I'm off work. I'm on my Christmas holidays. So subscribe, come by, have a look, check it out again. There'll be something different. So here's the white background. Let's just push on. And I've just recharged this. So there you go. Look, that's what I'm talking about right there. Not that much. I don't want that much, but woo. Let the flames begin. Okay, here we go. Air bubbles are gone. Definitely gone. Okay. So what I've got is this beautiful cup of leftover paint. You can see the blues from the last painting I did, which is sitting drying over here, and it looks deadly. I'm really happy. Here we go. Let's just see what we get. Those beautiful rich blues with the silver. It's lovely, isn't it? I'm going to go over here because I want to try and keep. We're about to hit the rich colors, the pinks, the reds, I think. We should do, unless the blue is after changing everything blue from being poured in. Let's see. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. I'm not just going to stay there. I'm going to put a few dribbles in and around the corners of it. Whether these even exist at the end of this is irrelevant. There is an elephant, as I like to say. Okay, I'm just going to squeeze and see if I can get a little bit more out. There we go. And that's definitely all of that leftover paint. Okay. I have a little bit more of a couple of these other colors which I'm going to add. Just a tiny bit left. There we go, there's a little bit in this one as well. There's a little bit of this one. Stop. Okay. Now I'm tempted to get the hairdryer and to blow this actually. And I'm going to do exactly that because you should always go with your instinct, right? So I'm just going to take the air bubbles. Tend to do any more with the hairdryer than that. I think it's cool. It looks kind of cool. Let's see. There's some really nice colors in it. I just want to move it around now. And I might spin it, I might not. I'm not entirely sold on it at the moment. Let's see. I do like the blue in the center, so I'm going to hold it there for the moment. I'm going to add a little bit more white around, if I've got enough, around the edges. Just to help it. I'm going to spin it a little bit, just gently. Okay, not too much. And let's just try to help it move now. You don't always get what you want, but let's see. Just gonna go for the corner. Yeah. Bring it back to the center with the blue if I can. And then I'm gonna go for the other corner. Oh, we got some real interesting stuff on this side. I don't want to lose. I gotta be careful. Right there. Great. I kept it. Okay. Let's go for the other corner. Okay, I'm down. Hold. Oh. And let's see what we can do. I'm just going to move it back across again. I want the blue to come back towards the center, and it just gives a nice outer edge of all those lovely pinks and greens and yellows and blues, and also it allows me to push this section here, which I love, back into a smaller section, which is kind of better. It looks better. Just see. Okay, hold. I'm pretty happy there, I think. Let me just think. That's lovely. I know it's lovely. Okay. I'm just going to check my corners. I'm just going to touch a little bit of the same color paints to a couple of spots where I had my fingers, my thumbs, whatever. Tidy up the, there we go, over it. And that one is done. So let's take the size of it, put it down a little bit. There'll be no painting left. All right. Anyway, as I said, I needed to introduce you to someone. So I'll do that now, as soon as I'm finished torching. This is another, that's 2 cool paintings in one day. What do you want, huh? I'm delighted. The last couple of weeks were challenging, to say the least. Anyway, but you haven't seen all of that yet. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this. Hold on, I'm going to introduce you now. This is lovely, isn't it? Okay, hang on 1 second. I'm going to take you with me. I'll show you in a moment. First, there's my girl. Oh, this is Piper. Mind, there's a little bit of paint on the floor, Pop. Don't go in it. Don't go in it. Okay, come here. Show. Oh, hi. Good girl. Good job. Okay, I'm back. So, here we are. Okay, Piper, you stay there. Good girl. So that puppy I showed you is called Piper. She's Border Collie. She's she'll be 2 in March, I guess. So that'll tell you what age she is. Here we go. Isn't that just lovely? That's 2 really nice paintings today. Couldn't be happier. I'll probably put them up as separate videos. Just I think I'll put them up as separate videos just so that there's a bit of variety in what you're seeing. But I'm really happy. Look, it's beautiful. I'd put that on my wall. I definitely would. And the blue one I think is really cool. It looks almost like that I did yesterday or today, whatever, earlier today. It'll be yesterday because I'll be putting up the videos 2 days in a row. But anyway, the last painting I did is probably the way to say it. It looks like foaming sea or something like that. It's just beautiful. And I haven't decided what this actually looks like yet. If you have any ideas, I just think it looks cool, and I love the cells in this corner. I think they're really special. Anyway, this was fun. I enjoyed doing this. I really enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Share it if you have someone that would enjoy it. and come back and see some more, because like I said, I've got some interesting things coming. And just to say, actually, I'm doing flow painting at the moment, and I probably always will do some flow painting, but I'm not only going to be doing flow painting. When the weather is nicer, like in the spring or the summer, I'm going to do some carving of wooden knives, training knives for karate and stuff like that. I'll show you how I do that. How I modify display boxes using Oasis epoxy resin to mold the shapes of the knives. I've got some cool stuff that I learned to do during the year. And also I have a big section of tree trunk, about that size I suppose, and I'm going to carve it out, and I'm going to make a lovely little bird bath for the garden. It's just a few little projects I'm going to do. They're bit arty, bit crafty, lovely though. So there's some different things coming, but there's going to be probably 90% of what I do here will be the painting and stuff like that, but there will be every now and then I'll probably throw a little curveball. There'll be something different. It'll be a bit of crack. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Okay, I forgot to do an up close of my video, so here we go, or my painting. So here we go. Look at those. Oh, it looks great in the corner, doesn't it? I just moved it to right beside the other one, so you get to have a glimpse of both. Anyway, this is the one I'm trying to show you for the moment. Here we go, and I'm just gonna pull out from the center here, and there it is. Isn't that lovely? I'll try and get the light off it. Look, it's cool, and I especially love this corner. I'd love to figure out how to do a whole painting that looked like that.